Welcome to our comprehensive guide on sharing bets on FanDuel. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or a newcomer, we've got everything you need to enhance your experience. First, let's discuss the betting options available on FanDuel. From traditional wagers to innovative betting formats, there's something for everyone. Now, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to place your bet. Get ready to take notes. Next, let's dive into how the sharing feature works on FanDuel and why it's a game changer for connecting with friends. Here's a visual walkthrough of the share feature. Follow along as we explore how to customize your sharing options. Let's discuss some best practices for sharing bets with friends. Make sure everyone is on the same page for maximum fun. Tracking your shared bets is essential. Here's how you can monitor the outcomes and celebrate wins together. We've gathered some common questions about sharing bets on FanDuel. Let's clear up any confusion you might have. In conclusion, sharing bets on FanDuel can significantly enhance your betting experience. Happy betting, and may the odds be in your favor.